Oh man, it's weird to see my goofy cousin vacuuming. He's so weird and just retarded and ugly and just so freaking redneck. Can you hear him downstairs? Can we hear him? Let's go watch him vacuum.
What's wrong with it? It's broken, man. Come on down here. Let me help you. Help me with it. Man, this thing is messed up. I don't know what.
Run the damn thing.
Every time I touch it, the face falls off of it. See? Look at that. It ain't got no bag in it. Why in the hell? You got any bags in this fucking house? What?
No, Steve. We don't have any bags.
Shit. Oh, damn it.
Why don't you throw a damn fit?
Shit. Well, now look at it. Look at it. Look how sideways it is. Look at that. You don't call that a piece of shit? Look at this. Come on down. Look at that. Look at this. Would you look at it?
Well, run the damn thing. Let's see if it works.
All right, then. What is wrong with this thing? Made me lose my hat.
Well, you don't have to lose your temper.
Fix it.
Look
Look at this.
He has anger problems.
God, it's tore up worse than goddamn New Orleans after Katrina. Tore up. Look how tore up the shit is. Look at the. You smell that? It smells like burned up tar or something. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my fucking god.
Can you fix it, Steve?
I don't know. I'm just so pissed off. Working. Oh, hell. Now we gotta take it back to the shop. Gotta get worked on anyway. Needs to get worked on. Oh, hell. The shop's down here. Let's work on it down here. Put it back together. Why is that snake on there like that? Can't have a snake in here. Fucking hate snakes. God damn it. Bumper comes right off of it. Heavy duty ass bumper comes right off. God damn. This is all tore off of it. Fuck me. This is worse than having sex with my wife. Slash sister slash something else. Forgot what it was. Shit. Here, I need a beer. Shit. Hat won't stay on here. I need a beer. Hey, you want a beer? Here. You want a beer?
I'm good.
Oh, shit. After working on that roof all day, swear to God, I'm gonna fucking die if I can get dip out.
Don't drink. That's bad for you.
Oh, shit. I don't give a shit.
You better spit that out.
Tastes like shit anyhow. This ain't good. Fuck it. Fuck this shit. I'm getting a Capri Sun. Hell with that shit. Tastes like shit. Oh, what? What the hell?
Give me that shit.
Look at the.
Give me that shit.
Give me my shit. The expiration date's on there. Look at this. You can't even see it. It says it went bad and. Not. Oh hell, who cares? I don't drink anymore. Shit. Let's fix this vacuum.
So how you wearing that hat, Steve?
I like it. Keeps sun on my eyes. Oh shit. Now it's just falling apart.